In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a post on a Facebook page so it gets published automatically at a later time. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu, then tap Pages and select the page you want to manage. Once your page opens, tap Create Post just like you normally would when posting content. Add your text, photo, or video to the post. After that, look for the option that allows you to manage the publishing settings. Tap Schedule instead of posting it immediately. Now choose the date and time when you want the post to go live. Make sure the schedule matches the time you want your audience to see the post. Once you set the time, confirm your selection and tap Schedule. The post will now be saved and automatically published on your page at the selected time. You can always review or edit scheduled posts later from your page's professional tools. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.